Morning class. I am back with another video on types of force, which is for class 8 subject science. And in this video we are going to learn about categories and classification of force. So that's the learning objective. At the end of this video you'll be able to classify force and cite the example for each type. So before we proceed, let's recall and recapitulate what we all have learned in the previous video, and that was all about effects of a force. Forces affect objects in three ways. A force can change the shape of an object, speed as well as direction, and we have learned some examples also. So now let's see the categories of force. So force can be of two types: contact forces and non-contact. Contact forces, muscular, frictional, and non-contact, magnetic, electrostatic, and gravitational. So can you just tell a few names of the forces which you know or you must have heard of? So that is frictional, electrostatic, gravitational, magnetic, and there are many other which you know. So basically, when we talk about contact force is actually two forces coming in contact physically with each other and acting upon. And muscular force is the example of this one, wherein we use our muscles or maybe using body parts, arms or legs for applying force. And you can see the example over here: cycling and a person working in the gym or maybe some other kind of activity. Next one is frictional force. Friction is opposing force, and it is a resistance between two surfaces that are in contact with each other. Again, surfaces are in contact, so it comes in the contact force category. Coming to next one, non-contact. As the word suggests, herein they don't require any kind of physical contact in order to act, and there are various types which we'll discuss one by one. So have you ever heard of this? Yeah, cats like this one. They love electrostatic force, and this happens only when two different charges come into with each other and existence, and they work like that. And this force is exerted by electric charges on each other. Positive will repel. Negative positive, that is dissimilar or unlike charges, so they will attract. And this situation must be very common, and you must have come across when you open your cap. What happens? Your hair, you feel that it straightens up, and you feel that electricity is flowing through your hair. So that is not electricity, that is electrostatic charges. Magnetic force, here again they are not in contact with each other, but they are attracting or repelling. So what works here? Yes, this is a kind of non-contact force which work here. And gravity which every one of us feel every single day. Whatever you throw in the air comes back, and that happens because of Earth's gravitational power, which is being like the objects are being attracted towards it. So yes, this is again, contact is not required, but after the force is working, that comes back. So let's recapitulate what all we have learned in this one. We have learned types of forces. There are two types: contact forces and non-contact forces experienced by bodies when they are in a physical contact with each other. Non-contact, where physical contact is not needed. Contact forces, muscular, wherein muscles are in action. Frictional, opposing force, and it works against the movement of the object. Magnetic, exerted by magnet. Electrostatic, by charges. Gravitational, and that between any object, but then Earth, we know it very well, that it's well known for its gravity. So that's all for the day, and we'll be meeting soon with another video, and you'll learn better. Thank you so very much.